Under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, India has broken free from the colonial chains that once constrained its maritime growth. In the recent monsoon session of Parliament, 5 new maritime bills were passed, aligning India's maritime framework with global standards and paving the way for a stronger international presence. With the launch of the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047, India is writing a new chapter in its maritime journey. By the time the nation celebrates 100 years of independence, the goal is for India to become one of the top 5 shipbuilding nations, multiply its port capacity, and emerge as a true maritime power. To realize this vision, projects worth 8,000 crore rupees have been launched. These include a new container terminal at Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata, to boost trade in eastern India, and a modern container terminal at Paradip Port, aimed at enhancing mineral exports. Strong coastal protection walls are being built in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Chennai, while at Deen Dayal Port, Kandla, multipurpose facilities will further accelerate India's modern maritime development. The inauguration of the Mumbai International Cruise Terminal, the largest in India, will not only boost tourism but also create thousands of new jobs. Initiatives such as the Maritime Development Fund, Shipbuilding Financial Assistance Policy, and Shipbuilding Development Scheme, announced in the Union Budget 2025-26, with an allocation of 70,000 crore rupees, will ensure that India emerges as a global maritime leader. These measures will bring immense benefits: faster trade, improved cargo handling, lower import costs, and enhanced global competitiveness for Indian products. This is not merely about building infrastructure, it is about laying the foundation of a new blue economy. India has always revered the ocean as a divine force and a source of wisdom. Today, with the vision of a developed India by 2047, we are reviving our maritime traditions with renewed pride and purpose. In the coming years, India will not only become a developed nation but also rise as a global maritime power, guiding the world through its strength, heritage, and innovation.